Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my quarantine shopping haul. This is shopping that I did during about week 6 of quarantine at about a few different stores because you are not able to get everything you need at one store anymore. And it is also very difficult to find some of the other supplies that are just in high demand. So this was a couple different shopping trips during the week. This is from a restaurant supply store. I was able to find some of the cabbage and yeast that I was looking for that I haven't been able to find. I also picked up salsa and some cornmeal for baking, and I am going to split this 25-pound bag of flour with my in-laws. I was also able to get some yellow potatoes. These should stretch a ways. The hamburger and hot dog buns, English muffins and breads. English muffins are vegan, so everybody can eat those. A couple gallons of milk, some coffee creamer, 3 pounds of butter, 5 pounds of bacon. This is a lot of cheese, but it's good for a very long time. And we make our own pizzas and stuff, so we shouldn't have a problem. There's a large bag of pork. There's 4 porks in here, so it should make several different meals. A box of frozen hamburger patties. Start off with some apples. My kids like different colored apples each. Got some onions, usually sweet onions, some beef steak tomatoes, tons of bananas. We also got this on clearance. It's to plug in these also 2 cords that we got on clearance. We got oatmeal cream pies, vegan microwave popcorn, cookies. The Pop-Tarts, the cinnamon roll, and the unfrosted are actually dairy-free, so those are for my daughter. Then we will have some of these Kool-Aid jammers, or Capri Suns sometimes, Chipotle's, barbecue sauce, Cheese Whiz if I find any steak ever, hamburger, dill pickles, Tapatio, snacking olives, mayo, mustard, and mayonnaise, easy cheese, tons of snacks. We have regular Skittles. There's these new Bright Side Skittles. I haven't seen these, so I got these ones. They seem to have some interesting flavors. And then I got the duo bag of the tropical berry wild berry and family size caramel M&Ms, dark chocolate M&Ms, and then plenty of these water flavors, the Skittles and the Hawaiian Punch. The kids really like the Skittle ones. The Kool-Aid squeeze, it makes it easier in not bottles of water like their canteens. I got some of this fabric for making some more face masks. We're out of elastic, so we're going to try paracord. These because when you're inside all day long, the house begins to smell not so pleasant. Macaroni and cheese for my son. Also Chef Boyardee's for my son. These are egg-free pastas. Not all pasta is egg-free, so we try to go with what we know. The same with cup of noodles. Not all cup of noodles are egg-free. You have to watch the brands, and even then you also have to read labels. The same with these smaller pasta bags. My son really likes Alphabet, but a lot of them sometimes have egg in them, so we stick to brands we know. Picked up a bath bomb for my daughter and puzzle. They've been into puzzles and Legos, so these are 3-in-1 creator sets. Each set makes 3 different little things there, so it'll hopefully keep them a little more busy than just a normal Lego set. And of course the shark. Then we've got some baking supplies. I got some cocoa powder, some sweetened condensed coconut milk, some coconut Pam. It's all a very dairy-free baking theme. Shortening and oatmeal, Quaker oats. We get these basically for emergencies. Picked up the Paw Patrol pull-ups, of course, for night times. I actually was able to find paper towels, which is crazy. Some of these Tums Chewy Bites, some of these disposable cups for traveling around, Puffs Plus lotion because it's allergy season here. With the high volume items like paper towels and Kleenexes and things like that, they make you go into the store to buy them instead of using grocery pickup. Here I restocked on some of our canned foods like pineapple and refried beans and sweet potatoes. We've tried not to get into our shelf pantry stuff too much because it's harder to replace. We got some of this body lotion. We've been really dry from all the hand sanitizer we've been using, so hopefully this will help. It's also allergy season, so we notice we have more dryness in allergy season, so we got some Head and Shoulders. I got some body wash and hair gel for Mario. I also got a couple hair detanglers for my daughter. She has very long hair that gets unruly. I bought a shampoo and 2 conditioners, plus I splurged on a body wash to help with the dryness. It's helping kind of. We also picked up several bags of tortilla chips, regular potato chips, and Doritos. There never seem to be enough snacks. Some of the items from my Costco haul are going to be for a yearly stock up, if not longer. So my Costco haul, I got gallon and quart freezer bags. I needed some kitchen towels. These are 8-pack organic. I got a big plate of ground beef, strawberries, hot dogs, pesto. My kids already broke into the Sunny Delight, Capri Suns, baking soda, vinegar, strawberry lemonade, Smarty Pants gummies. We got some of this plastic wrap.
My nails.
Wow, those are beautiful. Okay. So the plastic wrap, some of this tomatillo and hatch chili salsa verde. I got some more of the garbage bags, and we got some of the foil singles. And I got these from the farmer's market, and I picked up some of this from the farmer's market. So half of this is my Target pickup order, and the other half is stuff you cannot get unless you go inside the store. I got bottle brushes, refills for my dish wand, 2 large refills of dish soap. I love 7th generation free and clear. I got a stack of the Pringle chips. I got 2 12-packs of Dr. Pepper, 2 of the fabric softeners. I enjoy the Amber Blossom here. Some reusable paper cups for the kids, and this stuff I had to go inside to get, which is the unsweetened vanilla coconut yogurt, the dairy-free pepperoni for my daughter, and Mucinex. It's the up and up version, and the toilet paper. Now, since this isn't my normal way of shopping, I'm not quite sure how long to expect our food to last. I'm hoping between 4 to 6 weeks, since I've stocked up on quite a few essentials. Both of my children also have food allergies and require special foods, so a lot of the shopping I will have to still do will be dedicated to them. If you guys enjoyed this shopping haul video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will know to do more shopping hauls just like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.